Hello and welcome to Python by Example by PEC Publishing. I'm Burkhard Meyer. I have more than 18 years of experience in the software industry. For the last 5 years I've focused mainly on using Python. I'm the author of the Python GUI programming recipes using PyQt5 video course. I'm also the author of Python GUI programming cookbook, both the first and second edition. And I've also created the Python projects video course, all by PEC Publishing. In this course, we will be learning the powerful programming language that Python truly is. This video overview will give you a glimpse of the entire course. In section 1, we will be exploring Python basics and some more advanced language features. We will be building a dice rolling simulator as an example. Here you can see one of the videos. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be pretty good. Again, it's gonna be basics and some advanced things we will be showing. In section 2, we will be building a game of deck of cards. We will see how we can use Python classes and much more. So here's an example of what we'll be doing. And again, it's mainly all these examples will be to learn to program in Python. So don't get confused by the examples themselves. It's all about Python. So this again is one of the videos. We can see multiple inheritance by using and inheriting from different classes. This is possible with Python. So this is one of the videos in this section 4. And you can see tkinter here, and we'll be doing some fancy nice things with GUI creation. In section 5 we will be using Python for daily tasks. So here, for example, we are using the psutil utility, and we can get lots of information about our systems for administration purposes. So what you need for this course is a computer with an internet connection, of course. We'll be using Windows 10, but the code should run on Linux and Mac and everywhere because it's Python. It would be good to have some experience with Python and also a little bit of knowledge how to use pip to install extra packages. So the course goals are really to learn the Python programming language using examples. And we'll be looking into some basic and some more advanced language features of Python. We'll use a lot of functional but also some object-oriented programming. We cover a very advanced topic of OOP, which is multiple inheritance. Python can do that. We're gonna do that, we use it. And we'll be building some graphical user interfaces, and the goal is to have fun with practical examples. So let's get started.